Welcome to another episode of the G and Things, guys. Today it's about hobbywing, quickrun, 1080 ESC programming with the programming card. Okay, that's what I have in my Patera Ascender crawler. It's what I had for years. It's a great ESC, and I really hope you all use it. Watch the video. Okay, here is the hobbywing, quickrun, 1080 ESC. Turn my autofocus on. There we go. Okay. The 1080 ESC is programmable with a program card, okay? A lot of people don't know how to use this. They ask me, how do you use this? How does that work? That has more settings than the program card I got on my Can-Am. How do you work that? Okay? I want to show everybody right now how you do that. Here it goes. So you have your signal wire here, okay? It's a servo wire. The same type of wire they use for a servo. Okay, so you're going to plug that into your little ports you'll see on the ESC. You'll actually have ports where they plug in. And all you do is you plug that in accordingly, making sure that, like I've said before in my videos, guys, white is always the signal. The lightest color is always a signal. Darkest is always negative. So you're going to plug it in. Okay. White is always your signal, white or the lightest color, and black or the darkest is always your negative. So you're going to plug that signal wire in. Okay, now I always just sit it on the back of my truck right here. It works so good. Okay, and then you're going to turn your ESC on, and you should see your program card light up. Okay, there it blinked. Okay, there. So it's saying it's an item 1, value 3. So what that means is on your program card, you're going to see it has actually numbers 1 through 5 on the front, and then on the back there's actually 6 through 15. Okay, now I could read these all off to you. I'll read off a few. So number 1 is your running mode. So you got forward and brake, you got forward reverse brake, or you got forward reverse. Okay, number 2 is your battery type, LiPo or nickel metal hydride. Number 3 is your cutoff voltage. You can either disable it, have it on auto, medium, or high. Low, medium, or high. Initial start force. So this is when you take off. Initial force of starting. Okay. Then you have max forward force. Okay. And then on the back we got max reverse force. Then you got max brake force. Initial brake force. So when you first put on the brake. And you got your drag brake rate. Your drag brake. I'm going to show you what you do here. So it's pretty easy. You got an item button and a value button. You got a reset and an OK. So right now it's showing you that it's in item 1, value 3. So that means it's your running mode. So your number 1 is running mode. So you're in running mode, which means this. Number 3 right now means it's in forward and reverse. Okay, well, I don't want that. I want forward, reverse, brake. Okay, I'm sure that's the one I'm going to want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the value. I'm going to hit the value button and go to number 2. If that's the one I want, I'm going to hit OK. Then you're going to change the item, flash, so it stayed there. So now you're going to hit item, go to item 2, which is battery type. It's on LiPo, number 1, okay, because number 1 is LiPo, the value is number 1 here. Okay, number 2 is the number I'm on, which is this number here, which would be my battery type. So that's okay, so I'm going to hit OK. Okay, or if it's already set like it was, I could just, if you don't change it, you don't have to hit OK. You could just keep on going. So, because I've already got this set up. So, number 3 is your cutoff voltage. Okay, I have it on number 3, which is medium. So I'm going to just skip that because I've already got it set. So now I'm on number 4, which is your initial start force. I've got it on number 3. Okay, I've already went through and set the best for my truck here, which is what you guys got to do. Just go through. It's going to take a long time, guys. Maybe you might get frustrated the first session. I didn't do it all at once. It took me 20 or 30 different times to set this thing up all properly. Okay, so don't overwhelm yourself or whatever. And okay, so number 5 Okay, is your max forward force, so I'm going to leave that, okay? Then you're going on to number 6, which is on the back. And on the card here it actually says, please check the mark on the back for more programming items. Okay? So now we're on number 6. Now this gets kind of difficult. If you want, you can write them out, but now you got to flip it around every time. So max reverse force, okay? It's number 4. So I got it on 100. So that's a little high. Let's change that for you guys, okay? So value, I'm going to change it value because I don't want it on number 4 at 100%. I'm going to want it to go to, let's do 75%, number 3. So I'm going to hit the value button and go to number 3. Now I want to hit OK because that's what I want. It flashed, it showed me it's there. Hit that, now I'm on number 7. Max brake force, okay? I have it on number 9, which is 100%. I'm going to keep that. So I can either hit OK or I can just skip it because it's already set. Alright? Well, there you go, guys. I set it up for you. Now, just be careful. I pulled on it and I lost signal, so it started over on me. But anyways, you guys got the drift of what happened. But anyways, you guys know how to use it now. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. I didn't plan on going through every single one with you guys anyways. But what happened was I just tugged on it a bit and it broke signal with either the ESC there or here. Just, you know. So I imagine it's right here. It's probably dirty. This truck's pretty dirty. I run it in the water a lot. Okay, but I can program everything on this and with this truck with my radio link controller, with my radio link receiver that I use. I can actually program all the same values, all the same settings on the controller through my transmitter. So it's kind of I can really set this thing up to do what I need it to do. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, dislike, whichever you like. Oh, sorry, I guess you can't comment because my channel is set up for kids. Kids can watch my channel. It's a family-friendly channel, so comments are turned off apparently. So unless I change that, no one will be able to comment. Anyways, thanks everyone for watching. Take care. This is a transmitter and receiver I use in the Vatera Center here. Okay, thought I would show everybody. It is the R6FG, okay, the V2 radio link, gyro inside. Okay, this is gyro. Alright, RG4S receiver. Sorry, I got it taped up, the bottom falls off. These are an awesome transmitter, guys. I've had this for years. Literally the top button or even fell off the antenna there, but like it still works fine. I've had this for years. Like I say, there's so many programming you can do in this. I might better do a little tutorial on this too. I mean, so how you do to get into programming mode on this is you push both buttons, okay, and you're going to see everything here. So then you got your numbers on here, down and up, right? So, oh, I went the wrong way, I went up. So you got model, you know, set the exponential, you got steering speed, throttle exponential, throttle speed, ABS, acceleration, idle up, subtrim. This idle up is going to be for like nitro cars and stuff like that. Okay, nitro and gas. Your subtrim and your reverse, your DR. I can't think of what that is. Okay, there's so many things here. You name it. And also there is models. There's 10 models on this, so I can actually program this to 10 different receivers. So I can use this exact one for 10 different cars. So like if I do my model here, you can name them. So if I push enter, okay, there's model 1 is what it's set on, right? I can go down to model all the way up to 10, I'm sure. I got 10 models right there, so I can hit enter on that. That's model 10. Okay, Now you can actually name this too, because when you go back, now, okay, I've entered that, so I'm going to go back. I'm sure I can name it, because that would be model 10 I would be naming, and it's whatever model you'd be on. It would show the name when you first turn on the thing. So right here, model 10 at the top there, yeah, so I can change the name for each model. And then when I turn it on, so right now it's on model 10, so if I turn it off and I turn it back on, okay, it says model 10. So if I name that, it would change the name. I used to have channel 1 that said Gord's RC on top. My name is Gord, everybody. Alright, G, aka G. I'm the G in the things. If you took the G out of the thing, it would get pretty thin. Alright, so, well, there's a recap of this. Alright, hope you had a good video there. Good time watching. Thanks. Subscribe, everybody, again. If you can subscribe twice. If not, you can watch a million times, okay? Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Bye.